Hi everyone, in this video we will making sound moonlight. Sound moonlight we'll use together with AI. But what is AI in sound moonlight? AI in sound moonlight use new RGB LED and teachable machine to illuminate different lights according to the voice. Now let's assembling AI sound moonlight together. This is item in sound moonlight. Item in sound moonlight consists of acrylic plate, Lego bricks, CODEWIZ, and MDF frame. First, you need to assemble 2 bushes on one Lego axle. Make total of 6. Fix the assembled axle in the touch screen hole and fasten CODEWIZ with Lego bushes. Assemble the frame and fasten with Lego bushes. This is the frame. Insert the acrylic plate between the gaps in the frame. Now we will do the code. Let's do it sound moonlight code together. First, you need to click AI Sound Learning TM menu to call Sound Learning command block. You must insert Learn Sound Model URL into script area. But you need to connect CODEWIZ first to enable the CODEWIZ block appear. Choose the Insert Learn Model URL into script area. You delete the undefined and paste the address that you just copied just now. Drag and drop the blocks as shown in the video. But make sure you drag and drop the correct blocks. We need to initialize the RGB and turn off all RGB block. Link the Learn Sound Model URL and connect recognition with training sound model block. Complete the code with blocks above. The new pixel color will turn on based on the color you set. The bot recognizes the color by your voice that you record with teachable machine. With this code, for example, if you set yellow, the new pixel color will turn to yellow. If you set red, the color of new pixel will turn to red. After judging the sound and turn all LED, use the wait for 1 second block. That's all for the code. Now it's time to us to test the code. Click the green flag. Ready?
Yellow.
Red. Yellow. Now it's time for you to try the code. Good luck.